Do you know the hidden secrets of the rich creating so much wealth every fraction of second is compounding? Albert Einstein says that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it, he who doesn't pays it. What is the power of compounding? The power of compounding helps a sum of money grow faster than if just interest were calculated on the principal alone. After watching this, you are like, let me make it simple for you. Basically, in compound interest, you get interest on your principal amount as well as on your interest. For example, if you invest 100 rupees and you get 10% on that, now your amount will become 110 rupees. But next time you get 10% on 110 rupees, which will become 121 rupees, and so on. How to make money from money with the help of the power of compounding? If you can invest 10,000 rupees per month and if you can get 15% and you invest for 50 years, you can easily create 139 crores as seen. Listen, power of compounding majorly works on two factors. Number one, amount. Number two, time. Let's take the previous example, but we will change the factors to see what happens. Okay. Case 1, amount same but time change. If you invest 10,000 rupees per month and you can get 15% but you invest only for 20 years, then in this case you will accumulate 1.5 crore as you can see. Case 2, amount change but time same. If you invest 1 lakh rupees per month and you can get 15%, but if you invest for 50 years, then in this case you will accumulate 1397 crore as you can see. When you see all three cases, you can easily understand that everything is the game of time and money. The longer the investment horizon and amount can create a difference between your and other investment. So don't compare yourself with others. Might you can be happy with 1 crore and at the same time might someone will be not be happy creating 1000 crore also.